Hi, I'm Nick Ortega, product manager for the EnviroGear product line under PSG. We're here at the ACHEMA trade show, the world's largest chemical trade show. I'd like to share with you some of the solutions that EnviroGear offers to the market. We have the E-Series, G-Series, and B-Series products, but today I'll be sharing the E-Series product. The E-Series is a very innovative mag drive internal gear pump. The pumping principle is the same principle that's been used 100 years in internal gear pumps, but we have a very unique mag drive design with a between the bearing support system and a single fluid chamber design. This allows us to pump a wide range of viscosities from 1 centipoise all the way to 50,000. The product is offered in a wide range of materials of construction, including iron, carbon steel, and stainless steel. And we offer many different bushing and O-ring options. For more information about the E-Series or any of our EnviroGear products, you can visit EnviroGearPump.com and find all the information you need.